afternoon, or evening, depending where you are right now in the world. Welcome back to Thumper's Lock Picking. I just picked up a couple of locks this morning from Ace Hardware. I just ripped this one out of the pack. I have not tried it yet, but we're going to. So this, for me, is right out of the package. This is what it says on it. Rekeyable solid brass. All right, weather resistant. What's that say there? Rekey to match Slag house key. So this got the SC1 yes key core in it. This is the bitting on the key, and you can see up there that it's saying it's the SC1. And if I didn't read it, I would have choked on it. Anyway, it's got 5-pin resistance picking, 6,000 pounds cut resistance, and 26,000 pounds pry resistance. So hardened shackle, 5 pins maximum for pick resistance, 1 3/4 inch shackle. That's 44 millimeters, and that's what we got. I also picked up this very nice deadbolt that was out of the package, so they sold it to me for dirt cheap. So I am thrilled with that. Guys, if you ever hear about anything like, Pickle Anonymous, I think I have to go, man. I can't stop buying locks. I'm like, oh man, beautiful lock. I gotta have it. Gotta have it. It's worse than drinking. Yeah, this is bad. Anyway, let's get to it. Make sure we got this in. You saw the key, right? This is the key. Not too bad a bitting. Not too bad. I'm going to be using a Wheeze pick that is turning out to be like my chopper pick back when I had it, when Jason made it for me. I'm going to be calling this the Elder's Wand. It's got the most powerful wand there is in the Harry Potter stories, so this is working wonders for me. I can't say enough for it. I don't, yeah, whatever. I don't need this. I'm going to be picking this in my next video, but let's see what we got. All right, make sure we're in camera. All right. I really like this pick, Mr. Wheeze. You did me right. I hope you like the locks that I got. I haven't heard from you yet. Please get back with me and let me know if those were sufficient. Sent them a bunch of American locks. The first time I screwed up and sent them a bunch of cheap stuff. I got my packages all mixed up. Yeah, and I sent them, I couldn't even explain myself to him that, I mean, I wanted to, and I tried to, and he does understand, I'm sure. I sent him pics that I would send a beginning picker, things he has no use for. So I made good. I bought a bunch of locks for him, padlocks, American locks, you name it. I think I got it from. Anyway, I've been picking, got a couple of clicks on there, and I'm not paying attention, so let's get to the picking here, right? Let's start again. 1, 2, 3. Nice one on 3. 4 is binding. Okay, click out a 4. Excuse me, I gotta get a tissue or something. Oh man, I felt like a bug flew up my nose or something. Alright, back to the beginning. 1. It's binding a little bit there. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5 seems like it's binding. Okay. Back to the beginning. Click out a 1, 2, couple of clicks out of 3, click out a 4, 1 click. It's got more to go. I feel it. There we go. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna give it a one of those. What do you call it? Yeah. Okay. I think I felt something. Did feel something there. Got a little bit of movement in the core. Back to beginning. 1. Nothing on 2. 3. 4 is binding hard. Counter rotation. And I got you, baby. Got you, baby. Got you, baby.
That was easy.
Thank you so much, sir. I really appreciate that, Mr. Easy.
That was easy.
I understand. I do. Thank you. I appreciate it.
That was easy.
Can you shut up now? Thank you. Woo! Getting a little nasty with Mr. Easy. Let me see if we can take this apart. We can take this apart. I'm not prepared to take it apart. That's not going to be it. There we go. I'm going to move this out of the way. And let's see what we got in here. Grab my pinning tray. Nice. Very nice. Nice start. Nice day. Everything's working well. What week is Zoe? Alright. This is our baby here. What we got here? I can lock it up because I got the key. Right? Right. Okay. You see, no. I ain't using that pick. No. I ain't using that. I ain't using any of them. Guys, I broke another pick last night. Yeah, it was a rake. But thank God it was a rake because I only use rakes when I'm desperate and I'm into 25 minutes of a video or something. You know what I mean? Alright. I sure can dabble. So there I was, surrounded by locks. What did I do? I bought them all. Pick a Hall Anonymous. I need it. Somebody help. You got to see what I got coming. Hopefully I'll make my money back because I promised one to a friend in the lock community, which I'll show everybody. Let's see what we got here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6th chamber is not occupied, but it's going to be. It definitely is going to be. Number 1, standard. I'll turn them right side up and right side down in a minute. 2 is standard. 3 is standard. And if you're wondering about this, it cut my finger the other day. I have like a fast draw type of knife that I carry on my belt in the back, not in my pocket, on the belt. So when I draw it, the blade opens automatically. Um, let's see, we got here. The core is completely stock. Completely stock, guys. And yeah, I reached into my back pocket and it was open and whatever, and I just touched it and it slipped my finger so far open that this knife is so damn sharp. Yeah, it thrilled me. Anyway, like I said, there I was, surrounded by locks. Beautiful spool on that one. A nice copper spring. Number 2 is a standard. I believe all the springs are going to be the same.
That was easy.
Stop it. Well, that, you know what? I didn't notice the first one and the third one. It's got serrations on the top and then they're spools. Wait, I'll show you in a minute. Very, very nice pins. Surprisingly nice. Okay. Oh, come on, man. Stop playing games here. Sit. There you go. All right. Gonna go from... He thought I was gonna say it. I'm going from this side, the right side, the side that's most pleasant. Okay, and that first chamber there, the 6th one, was not pinned. The 5th one here is another beautiful spool. Wait till you see the spools. They're very much different. Okay, done there. Let me get the springs. There. And there. Now I know why I make such long videos, man. My mouth doesn't stop. Sorry, guys. The Bible itself is completely stock. I'm just checking. I'll show you. Very much. Hopefully you can see it. I got one of my lights that burnt out, so it's not the best lighting right now, but it's better than having this thing flicker. Couldn't find it anywhere in the United States there, so, well, none, I should say not in our country. I had to go to Texas and order one, so light is blinking, but I'll get better lighting, promise. Now you got to see these pins, and everybody say it together. Don't shut off. Don't shut off. Don't shut off. It didn't shut off. Thank you. Let's see. I'll get a close-up on this. Bottom pins. I know the first one's upside down. Bottom pins are all standard. Now, look at the spool. It's got serration on the top, a little serration on the bottom, and a spool in the middle. Second one's standard. The third one is definitely the same way. It's got the, the little serration on the top, serration on the bottom, spool in the middle. They're all like that. So that's some beautiful pins. I'm going to change that. I'm going to add another pin and spice this up a little bit, and I will pass this on to the next sucker. Yeah, I love buying locks. Like I have a problem with Lockahol Anonymous there, but I don't have a problem with passing it on to the next guy. So I think I know who I'm going to pass it on to, and he knows who I'm talking about right now. So you guys, if you want to jump on board, I am busy making challenge locks for Christmas. Hopefully that'll be okay. I'd love to buy everybody a lockpick set for Christmas. You know what? But I'm not Rockefeller. I'm I'm in the rock. I'm under the rock, man. If it wasn't for I'm disabled, so that's all I get. That's my income right now. So, guys, if you like what you see, you like what you hear, you like what's going on around here, please hit the like and subscribe button. I'm moving up gradually with the subscribers, I mean, and I thank you so much to everybody that has subscribed to my channel. I still offer that deal that if I get 200 subscribers, and by the end of this month, I believe, I have to look what I wrote down. I'll be giving a $200 lock away. So pass it on to everybody. It's a beautiful lock. So that's what I got for you. Please, let's not set a bad example for our sport. Don't put your picks in anyone else's locks unless you have explicit permission. Thank you, everybody. That's what I have for you today, and I am gone. Like I say, more ways than one.